Hey everybody, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys Auto Supply again. And today we're going to be discussing a commonly asked question that we have here, which is why is it when you buy 4 U-bolts for your front end that you have 3 of one size and 1 that's just a little bit larger? I'm going to show you this right here. We're on the passenger side of the front of my CJ-2A. As you can see, you have 2 different size U-bolts, and the reason being is because that outer U-bolt is going to go only around the axle itself. That one is right here. 3 of them are going to go just on this axle itself. There's one that's actually got to clear for this collar next to the differential. That is why you have one larger U-bolt in the front. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.